Okay, so the move in the form looks like this, right? It's this, this, that. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Okay, so as he comes in, right, he immediately follows with the other hand. I come here and, like, see, this is perfect right here. Yeah. Okay, I went close.
They call it bunkai.
They call it applications. Yeah, fighting applications.
Question?
But it's the same thing. It's just a term, right? I've never heard the Chinese term for it. So Master Chen always just calls it fighting applications. Okay?
When you're coming down with the elbow, it's not like this. It's more like the whole body's coming down.
Well, yeah, that's what this is. That's what this is
Yeah.
teaching you, right? So when I turn and I come here, you sink, right? So again, I do this move, and I sink, right? It's not my problem. Pat's arm's in there, but Pat's arm is totally irrelevant to my equation. I just do my move correctly, and he's got a problem. If I drop here, he's got a problem, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So, punch, take the other hand, boom, drop down. Okay?
So
And
that's
again, go ahead.
One more time.
Okay, so slowly, Pat, you want to do it from the other side?
Yeah.
You want to do it from this side? So, Pat comes in, as soon as he feels this, he's slick. So I have to come across and take him, right? Now I turn, and I just drop down. I drop this straight down, or drop it here, whatever it is. If the opponent, if you hit their arm hard when they throw a punch, they will automatically throw the other hand. That's why it makes me crazy when I watch people practice, and they come in and do this, and the person blocks their arm, and the other guy just stands there and lets them do techniques. Because I'm telling you now, that's not what predators do. Pat comes in with a punch, and I block. As soon as he feels that, this is coming. It's coming right away. So the idea is you want to guide the hand body. You don't want to hammer the hand, unless you're attacking it. If you're attacking the hand, different story. But if you're blocking and you block hard, the other hand is immediately coming. I'm telling you, it's coming. Don't think it's not, because it is. Okay. So this is why you train to strike as you intercept his attack. However you do it, as you're intercepting his attack, you should be hitting him at the same time. There cannot be a gap between. If there's a gap between, you'll have a very hard time in the combat. You just tell him. It's as simple as